Oh, you're such a dork. We're not even married yet.
I know, but I wanted to practice so that when we are, I don't look like a dork.
Well, good luck with that. Oh no, there's a mirror on the ceiling. It's so romantic.
I told him something nice, not something, sketchy.
It's Vegas, Luke.
Okay, you
What?
fly all night and you still look amazing.
Oh God, no I don't.
Yeah. You do. You tired?
No, I've never felt more awake.
Good. Me neither.
Hey, come here. I could live off of that. I miss that. And I think your ass is gonna look really great in that mirror. Let's find out.